There's one of the valve covers. That goes under the bottom of the engine. Another valve cover. Torque converter cover. Air conditioner condenser. Thermostat housing. Radiator hoses. Motor mounts. That goes right there in that hole. Radiator. Alternator bracket. Water pump pulley. I don't know what that is. And there's your fans for the radiator. There's your air conditioning pump, a radiator, AC condenser, valve covers off some other type of engine. There's the head pipe that somebody cut off that needs to be welded back on. There's the flange for it. And there's the other one right there. These are for, these ain't for this. These are for a big block Chevy. There's, oh my God. That's the intake all taken apart. It's a tuned port. It says it right there. Tuned port injection. That goes on the bottom of the oil pan. That's the... This right here is the distributor. And they said there was no bolts. There's some bolts right there. It's the spark plug wires. That's weird. I'm not sure where that goes. Hey, there's another fan shroud. And there's your them are the exhaust manifolds right there. And there's a starter, but it doesn't go to this thing. That's the lower crankshaft pulley. Okay, well anyways, all that stuff, and there's missing some stuff, plus the motor, has all got to go under here. It's like a big puzzle. Everything fits in its place. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a nice life. Happy tow trucking. And happy Corvetting. Alright. Later, Gator. And later to Jolene in Utah. Lorraine in Washington. Later.